Hey hoodies, welcome back to the Hood Table one more again. Please come on in and like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the Hood Table for me, please, and thank you very much. And I want to give a huge shout out to all our newest members of the Hood Table and our subscribers as well. Today, we just got some news that our boy T.I., three-time Grammy winner T.I., who always finds himself in a little bit of a fix every now and then, some type of trouble, some type of situation. Like, he's still going through people trying to come forward talking about assaults and other ungodly things that him and his wife are alleged to have done to them. But anywho, as of the current and latest situation that Ti has got himself in or found himself in, he has been arrested in Amsterdam following a bicycle collision with police officers. He's locked up. The policeman, he said, ran into him and broke his rearview mirror. So I'm like, well, how the heck did you get locked up then? But he said he didn't have a passport. So I'm like, again, where is your passport, boy? You over in Amsterdam? Where's your passport? But anyway, let's take a look at his footage on his IG, and y'all just let me know what y'all think about this. And also, by the way, his IG name is Troubleman31. So fitting, so fitting. Anyway, here we go.
So I'm locked up now. I'm obviously not supposed to have my phone as I'm biking, and because the policeman ran into me and broke his his rear view, you know.
Don't you have N?
Huh?
They're gonna take it?
Yes, I'm getting it right now. I'm trying to get it from them right now. And because I didn't have my passport on me, I don't know. It'll be fine. But he was extremely upset. I was having a great time still. I'm still not upset. I'm having a phenomenal time. They arrested me. They didn't even put me in handcuffs. They just opened the door and invited me to the back seat. I obliged. Man, let me call so I can make my bond. Let me see, man, how I can make my bond right quick, bro, because they don't take cash. I got cash in my pocket, but they don't seem to take this. So, I'm talking about I ain't got no handcuff put on me yet. They ain't searched me. We working on the buddy system out here, and I like it. I like it, man. But I tell you what, I'm finna call my people and get my passport and shit, so they can come on up here and I guess swipe the card to get me out. Some shit like that. Man, this is great, man. You know what I'm saying? This is actually experiencing the culture as it is. This is living life to the fullest in the moment. You dig? Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I got caught up talking.
Yes, y'all. Ti was locked up, y'all, in a whole nother country. Said a cop ran into his bicycle. He didn't have his passport, but it seems like he was taking it all in stride. He wasn't upset at all. They never put handcuffs on him. And then when he said they just escorted him to the back of the police car, no handcuffs, I'm like, what are the chances of that? I ain't never seen that done over here in the US of A. But anyway, unless they were like helping a damsel in distress or something like that. But anyway, yeah, he said he was pretty cool. He was pretty chill, but the cops seemed a little bit more upset than he was. But then he was later on released, and able to, get back to his wife, who basically both of them was on a trip to Italy and for their anniversary, their 11th year anniversary, and they were making a stop in Amsterdam, and that's where he happened to get arrested. But I do want to say real quick before I show you the footage of him once he got released, I want to say congratulations to him and Tiny on their 11th year of wedding, marriage. I don't know whether to say marital bliss. I'll just say happy 11th anniversary. Because Lord knows they ain't been married in no marital bliss. Maybe the first few years, but all the situations that have been made public about their relationship since the very beginning, Lord have mercy. Praise God. They should be praising God that they are even still together. But anyway, let me show you this clip of him right after he got released.
I've done real time before. Caroline, man. We okay, man. Caroline, you good. You good. We okay, Caroline.
So yes, as you guys can clearly see, excuse me, Ti is doing absolutely fine. He has been released from jail. He later had went onto Instagram as we just saw, and he wasn't even, acting all concerned. He wasn't upset. His friend was there. He had fans that were sitting outside nearby. They were asking for pictures. They said that he pulled up right next to his fans and started ordering drinks. So that's what's up. That's what's up. Him and his wife Tiny are okay. It looks like he was able to be bonded out, but again, like what kind of courtesy was that? The way that he was so called arrested and not handcuffs and escorted to the back seat, not thrown or tossed in the back seat, as we oftentimes see done here with us. But anyway, and all that money he had in his pocket, like he had to have like 10 stacks, if not more, in that rubber band. He is the rubber band man. They didn't accept no cash. Shoot, child, that money probably would have came up missing, vanishing into thin air. Had to be here, thinking it was some drug money or something else like that. That he had done something illegal, even though this man makes all kind of money. And his wife too. But anywho, Ti, please stay safe over there. Get your passport. I don't know if you left it at the hotel. I don't know if you left it in the car. And just get your passport on you. You get talking about you don't have cash. Where's your debit cards? Where's your Visa? Where's your American Express? I don't know, EBT cards. Anyway, y'all, make sure again you like and share this video, subscribe to the Hood Table. And be sure to let me know your comments on Ti's little situation over in the Netherlands before you go. Stay safe, be blessed, remain vigilant at all times, and never forget to keep it hood. Bye.